Blessed is the King who comes in the name of the Lord. Luke 19:38. Looking like somebody's wife. What? I'm liking this. Ooh, hey babe. Yes, you're looking cute. The hair is growing. The skin is good. I know you're trying to look for a style. If you are trying to look for a style, don't worry, I got you. Today's video is going to be all about the box braids crochet, but it's the body wave. Look at all them stacks of braids. Yes, fake hair. We are just something, huh? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a tutorial using this hair right here, sponsored by the Main Concept. Je vais manger après. Je mange d'abord. Je mange avant. Je mange encore. Okay, so today's hair I'm going to show you guys. So before I start, I'm going to be using my African Bass Growth pomade. Je vais utiliser cette pomade ici, huh? I'm going to use it for my hair, and I just came from doing my wash day, and I used my rice water, and it's been helping my hair really well, huh? Washing it really well. Tobin, matungulu, pourquoi comme ça? Tu manges beaucoup en toi. So I'm gonna continue the tutorial by starting off with my hair braided. Je vais tresser mes cheveux d'abord. Et puis ça, we're gonna do the tutorial. So yeah, just watch me do my thing. On my life, on my life. Oh, sorry. So today's hair is sponsored by Main Concept, and they sent me this beautiful, yes, right here. They sent me a ×3 Wavy 14-inch box braids by Connect Cologne, and I ordered the color 1B because I love my black hair. It makes me look so classy and beautiful. And so yeah, they sent me about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs, and I'm just gonna take it out the bag because I'm talking too much. And the braids are wavy braids. They start off as twists at the top, and then they go down as braids. This is actually the first time I'm gonna try braids that are 14-inch. I haven't done these type of short braids in a long time. Ekita awa ici, hein? Yes. Ça fait longtemps que j'ai essayé les mèches comme ça. If you know me, you know I love my box braids to be long, but I can't help myself. Anyway, yeah, so we're just gonna get started. To start off, I'm going to be using the Main Choice Growth Oil. I will put this on my scalp, so I'm just gonna layer it on there. Ooh. So this helps my hair to grow with this rice water that I put as my conditioner and stuff. So let's just get into the braid. Oh, all my life. Been grinding all my life. Pretty girl, yeah, that's me. Beautiful, yes, that's you. Once you're done with this tutorial, you're gonna be looking cute, sis. If you're watching this, just know when you buy this box braids, you about to be looking summertime fine, okay? I'm actually liking this. This is actually new for me. Like, I'm so used to my bottoms being waved up. C'est seulement ici que je mets la tire dans ma moto. Mais ça ici, c'est un peu différent pour moi. It's a lot different for me because it's really like everything is waved. So this is gonna be a new look, a new braids, sis. All my life, been grinding all my life. So one thing I did notice about the hair was it was layered. The box braid was layered, so it's not like everything is not even. Yeah, je dis que na Monique, yeah, c'est pas la même size. Je peux voir qu'on is that equal thick? This right here is about to be a struggle, but the box braids were layered up. So if you are looking for something that's equaled up, this is not gonna be for you because they're all layered up. Okay? Beautiful, yeah, that's you. This is how long it is. This is actually different for me. Like, I'm not used to short braids anymore. This is like something I would get when I was like in middle school, before I got snatched. This is not bad at all. I am gonna say that these type of styles does take time. Because the box braid was a little bit medium compared to, you know, an actual like box braid style size. These look like micros. If you don't know the difference between box braids and micros, this is the difference. It's the mini size. But yeah, it looked really nice from the roots. It looks just like, you know, I just got my braids done, like without the crochet. It looks just like no crochet type of box braids, and that's what I loved about it. Que cette mèche ici c'est un peu différent. Ça se voit comme si j'ai vraiment tressé mes cheveux. Ça se voit pas comme le crochet. Ça se voit comme si j'ai vraiment ma soeur tressé les cheveux. C'est très joli. Toi-même regarde. Regarde toi-même. So after I was done, I noticed that I don't like my crochet when I do box braids to look like a huge space in the middle. J'aime pas l'espace là si je laisse. So I'm gonna get another crochet you know, hair, and I'm gonna crochet that part right there so I can like close it in to make it look a lot more natural. Je vais prendre un autre crochet, je vais mettre ça là dans les coins là, et je vais que ça c'est et mi mona na ça vraiment comme si on a tressé les cheveux. So it's gonna look like we really like, you know, went in and actually got an actual, you know, braided box braids with no crochet. So that's one trick that you can do to prevent yourself from having that space that you get when you do crochets. So yeah, that's what I did. Isn't it cute? Since you look cute, don't I look cute? You about to look this cute. Toi aussi tu vas être assez jolie. So guys, this is how it looks. This is not like my type of style because the waviness, I don't know. Like when I wear box braids, I like my box braids to be a lot longer and straight. I'm a very simple person. I don't like to do the decorating and stuff like that. J'aime pas que mes mèches, ça se voit comme ça parce que si c'est comme ça, ça me donne un peu de, I don't know. J'essaie différents styles. But everything else, I like it. It's like, it's 14-inch. I'm 5'4", so 14-inch is not too short. It looks long, but really it's like long enough. I don't know how to explain it, but overall I have 2 packs left, and I think I know what I'm gonna do with these 2 packs in my next tutorial. But the hair overall, I'm gonna say it's amazing. J'ai 2 paquets, j'ai resté avec 2 paquets. Je sais pas si je vais utiliser ça comment, mais je sais le style que je vais utiliser ça avec. And the back, it looks pretty, you know, you can't really see the braids. And this time around, I did my cornrows really nice. So it came out really nice. As you guys can tell, it doesn't look like crochets, which that was the trick. Normally when I do crochets, I like to braid the front myself, but I was like, hey, let's try something else. So yeah, I was gonna do a bob with this, but I realized that, you know, the waviness is gonna mess it up, and I don't want to look like a gel mate, so no. J'ai dit que le crochet c'est un peu différent, mais quand j'ai tressé mes cheveux, ma boucle, je fais ma boucle différent. J'aime ce style ici. But if you like the hair, I'll be sure to leave the link down below. The hair is sponsored by a company called Main Concept. I worked with the company before. My previous video is from Main Concept. So let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.